First night in Hoi An coming to an end. Just been exploring and getting drunk. Had some okay food, but not the best. And we extended our stay by 1 day and also booked a little cooking class, which will be fantastic.
Oh, that's not good.
I'll probably put it on there. We are just picking up our ingredients for our cooking class. Just about to go get a boat to our little cooking class after picking up all the ingredients. He's got a straw hat and this is a little boat person.
Boat person.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Look how beautiful it is. Damn. So last night we kind of did another cooking class, had a few drinks, and then ate ourselves to death, and then went and explored a thunderstorm, and then forgot to vlog. Today we're renting bikes and cycling to the beach.
Didn't want to cycle, you literally.
There's a storm coming and Grace is whinging. There's a storm brewing and Grace wants to stay at the beach
No.
for another 15 minutes, but look at this in the background. It's literally typhoon.
I can't be bothered for me to have to wait for Jamie to fly his drone over an average day.
This is gonna be a big storm and we're in the middle of nowhere with no way of getting back without a bike. Shit. Whoa, what are you doing? Just had a ginger tea, storm has passed, and now it's time to cycle some more. We're just gonna go on a crazy adventure. Jamie and Grace's adventure. We gonna get some food.
I'm gonna get some damn food in my belly.
He just got a lift back from some Aussie guy who was working at the bar. And he dropped it in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Was he the one working at the bar?
Yeah, he did not. He literally had no idea where we were going. I told him so many times, but he had no idea where we were going. But Grace has finally got on a bike.
I loved
And
it.
she loved it. But we're going to bed.
I want
think
one of my own.
This is the end of Hoi An. This is the end of Hoi An. Tomorrow we're going to Da Nang and then we fly to Ho Chi Minh. So good night. Good night. Buenas noches.